Ever felt a backpack ruin a hike before the view even begins? Today, we're diving into the top 5 best hiking backpack for women, designed for comfort, balance, and real trail confidence. Welcome to the channel. Stick around, save time, avoid bad buys, and grab the right pack using the links in the description. The number 5 product on our list is NUBILY Hiking Backpack. Most hikers quit early not from weak legs, but from packs that fight their body. This design changes that feeling fast. Built for women who carry more than they expect, it balances weight, keeps gear dry, and stays calm on the back when trails turn rough. The roomy layout swallows weekend essentials, wet layers, even shoes, while smart pockets stop the frantic digging. Breathable straps and a stable chest buckle ease long climbs, creating relief mile after mile. Safety touches like reflective details and a whistle add quiet reassurance. Compared to slimmer day packs, it carries heavier loads better, though it feels bulkier for short walks. This fits women planning full-day hikes, travel treks, or light overnights who want order, comfort, and weather readiness. Leave the trail tired, not frustrated, knowing your pack finally works with you every single time. At number 4 is Maelstrom Hiking Backpack. Most people don't realize how quickly a bad pack can drain their energy until the first uphill reminds them. This design flips that script with space that feels thought out rather than stuffed together, giving hikers in the top 5 best hiking backpack for women category a cleaner way to pack. The layout separates essentials, keeps wet gear isolated, and offers quick grab pockets for snacks or navigation. Lightweight fabric adds relief on longer treks while staying tough enough for brush and rocky paths. The hydration setup is a welcome touch for women who move fast and dislike stopping. Compared to slimmer day models, it carries more without feeling clumsy, though it may feel oversized for short city walks. Ideal for hikers, travelers, and weekend explorers who want order, dry storage, and trail ease, it delivers a calmer, more organized outdoor rhythm. The third one on our list is Bseash Hiking Backpack. Some packs feel heavy before you even start walking, and that quiet frustration pushes many hikers to quit early. This design steps in with a lighter, more forgiving build that fits naturally into the rhythm of the top 5 best hiking backpack for women category. The roomy interior handles clothes, snacks, and sleep gear without turning into a cluttered mess, while quick stash pockets stop the constant rummaging that slows down the trail pace. Breathable padding softens long climbs, and the rain cover adds relief when weather shifts suddenly. Compared with compact day models, it offers far more space, though it may feel larger for minimal packers. This suits women who want an affordable backpack for camping weekends, travel routes, or beginner treks where comfort and simple organization matter. It delivers a smoother outdoor experience that feels easier from the first step to the last. On number 2 is WATERFLY Hiking Backpack. Some backpacks feel like extra baggage the moment you lift them, but this one surprises you with a weightlessness that changes your whole pace on the trail. It fits naturally into the top 5 best hiking backpack for women category by offering space without bulk and structure without stiffness. The foldable design turns travel days easier, while its organized layout keeps essentials sorted instead of swallowed into one deep pit. The wet pocket brings instant relief after workouts or rainy stretches, separating damp layers from everything else. Breathable straps make longer walks calmer, and the charging pass-through adds quiet practicality for modern hikers. Compared with sturdier framed packs, it is lighter and more flexible, though not ideal for carrying heavy loads. Perfect for women who want a portable day pack for city exploring, casual hikes, and weekend travel where simplicity and comfort matter most. Now moving to the last one is Teton Oasis Hiking Backpack. Most hikers don't realize how much time they lose stopping for water until a pack like this changes the rhythm entirely. It blends smoothly into the top 5 best hiking backpack for women category by giving trail lovers a built-in hydration setup that removes the usual hassle of bottles and constant breaks. The lightweight frame feels athletic, the storage layout stays tidy, and the insulated pocket keeps water cool long enough to make tough miles feel more manageable. Breathable straps add ease during warm climbs, while the rain cover and rugged zippers shield essentials from sudden weather. Compared with heavier multi-day packs, it carries less gear but moves far faster, making it ideal for runners, cyclists, and women who prefer streamlined adventures. For anyone craving smoother flow, cooler water, and fewer interruptions, this design brings a refreshing upgrade to every outdoor route. Among all the winner is Bseash Hiking Backpack, because its lighter feel, roomy layout, and trail-friendly comfort make everyday hiking smoother, easier, and far more organized. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best hiking backpack for women. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.